Today I'm gonna taking you through the finance CFSN for the question paper which we're doing for uh, 2016 June. And last time we have covered the setup parameters, and we have created also the inventory item and one supplier which was not there. So this inventory item which we have created, we're told to create. So today what we're going to do, we are going to do the supplier's invoice. So these suppliers, what they do, remember, we are their customers. So when they are selling to us, they issue what is called a tax invoice. But the same tax invoice, we are going to take it, then convert it now into our own system to become a supplier invoice. So we are going to go into Pastel. We are going to say process, then we go to suppliers. So here, let's check which customer is this one. It's called Easy Country Clothing. So we go again here and go to suppliers and go and look for Easy Wear Clothing Factory. It's this one, the second one here. We double click on it and say what? Enter. Right. So it's now there. Then we press enter. The moment you press enter, would have already, you type the address which is on the question paper, which is 63 Special Street. I had already put it for you so that you can not struggle with it. You will put it via the setup parameter. But for now, because of time, that is why we have got to put it. It has popped up on its own. Right. Then we go to period. We're going to be working in period 3. Period 3. Then you press enter on the keyboard. Right. Then we go to the question paper. What was the date? The date was, where is our date here? For this one, yeah, it is the 5th. So we go back to the pastel, then we just type 5. Don't, no, yes, then press enter. Alright, you just type 5 and press enter. Automatically the date will populate on its own on that field of the date. Right, then you go to the field of invoice number. You go again here. The invoice number here is this one, the EC. You're going to highlight this one, highlight up to there, copy. Alright, then you come and you populate it in supplier's invoice. Alright, then you go to discount, press enter. Alright, what is our discount? In the question paper, the discount is saying 50 overall discount. So we put also here, we come and type 15 there, 15. Then press enter. Then go to the terms discount. In the terms discount, these are the terms at which if a customer, since we are their customer, if you pay during the required time, we will be what? Given a further discount out of the what? Whatever is going to be put in there. So let's go to the, alright, so here we had the term discount, which was 5% discount within 30 days. So which means if you pay within 30 days, you're going to be given a further discount from 15%, a further 5% discount if you clear off our payment during that time. So we go back here, right? Go to the search button here, and you shall see that it has already created. I had already created for you. So the system would have already created for you, and I'll create that one 5% within 30 days. Just pick it, double click on it, right? So it's 01. Press enter, enter again. We go to the item code, right? On this item code, can you just click on this search button? There are certain things which are there. You can use abbreviations. of a stock item. When you're entering any stock item here, you can use also kit item code. You can also use the barcode, like you see in the shops. They scan using the barcode. So you can use the barcode. You can also use the what? All of the above or the G account code. But for this purpose of this course, you're going to be using the what? The 4-item code. Just click on that 4-item code and press enter. Now we're going to the question paper. We've got 4 items which has been bought. So we're gonna start with the first one. And you're gonna click this one. Then you're gonna go to the account, right? Then you're gonna search for it. It's Sakura Brazers. This one. Just double click on it. Right? How much was it? The quantity was 10. So you type 10 there. 10. Enter. Alright? Then the system will automatically give its own cost price, because when we are creating an inventory item, we normally put our own what own price during that time. But remember, when you buy, you can buy different customers. So since we are buying from different customers, they bring with the different suppliers, sorry, and those suppliers will have their own different prices. Let's go and check. Here the system gives us 256,57. Let's go and check. Is it the same what is here? No, it's 256,86. So want to type this one. This student, you must understand in the exam, the system automatically populates its own price. This is where most students fail. You must remember that the system populates its own price, but you need to pick the original price from the text invoice which is coming from the supplier. So here it's 256,86. 256,86. Type 256 or just delete 286. Press enter. Thank you. Then go to the next line. Or just press enter, go to the next line. Correct. Then go to the, what is the next item? Next item is soy jackets. Then pick soy jackets. No. Press item code, still the item code. Press enter. There, that's the code. That's when I'll the what? The soy jacket. There it is. Then the quantity was 11. Let's press enter. Enter again. Just type 11. Press enter. Press enter. We're going to the price. Again, we must remember that price again. What was the original price? The original price is 289,43. 389,43. 389. Just type 389,43. Press enter. Alright, go to the next one. What is the next here? Enter again. Alright, what is the next one? The next one is the bell jacket. That one we have created it and we have already put the amount. Remember, we have created it, so this price is not going to change. What we're going to just know that the quantity is 12. Alright, okay, let's press enter. Let's go there. Let's go and say bell. This one here. Press enter. Enter. The quantity is 12, type 12. Press enter. This one we have already known the amount. Let's go to the next line. Enter. Alright, let's go to the. Alright, what is it here? Now it's a Cicesia dress. Let's go to that. Let's go check there. That one. Right? The quantity was 13. Press enter. Enter again. There it is. So the amount is different. What is the amount there? It's 124,29. So it's 124,29. Alright, press enter. Can you scroll down from this side? Down. Alright. If you see this amount should match with the one, because we are creating the same invoice. Alright? It must match. Let's check. Can you scroll down? Scroll down. Right. Here, what do we have? We have got 10, 723,85. Alright? Let's go and check. Is it the same? 17, right. What has went wrong? Because this one now is giving us 10,712. We try to check where did we went wrong. Was the quantity okay? Was the amount okay? Alright? So here the quantity was 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's check here. It was 10, 11, 12, 13. It's fine. Alright. So what did went wrong? Where did we do it wrong? Let's come here again. Alright, it's 15, 5. Alright, all the amounts are correct. All the amounts are correct. 124, 215. There's something wrong here. 215. Did you say 215? It's 216. That's where the problem could be. So we check now, it's 216,53. Let's go back and change that one. This amount, 216, 216,57. Press enter. You see now, it now matches with that amount. So the amounts which you're going to create, remember we're just creating the same invoice, that is why we're going to have that one. Alright, then what do you do next? What you do next is that you are going to say, if you've done everything correctly, you come and say next document. Alright? It did not pop up what we want to pop up. So what do? We take it up again, take this one up. Alright? Come here on the search button, double click here. Let's say press enter on the keyboard. Alright? It pops up. Right? Then we want to scroll it down again. Let's say next document or print document first. Let's say print document. Alright. This is what we were expecting to see when you say next document. This was supposed to pop up first. Right. So what we do here, since we are not going to see it or print out, we have the printout for now. What you're going to do, you're going to have a document which you're going to see also in the system, which you can put in the files in the machine, then you can print later. Right? But if you are already connected to the printer, you can just say okay, and it will print in this HP printer. But here, because we want to see it also visually here, that we do the right thing. So we are going to change the printer. Let's go and say set printer. Then we're going to choose the Microsoft. Alright? Then say okay. Alright? Then what we're going to do, we're going to say okay. Alright? Then here we are going to say print out 2. Alright. Then where would you want to save it? We want to put on the desktop. Let's say desktop. Alright? Then say save. Alright. Then we want to check if we did the correct thing. Let's minimize. Let's minimize again. Right. Where is it? Where is our document? There it is. Print out 2. Just double click on it. You see. So, what does the examiner look at? Did you put the correct? Yes. Did you put the delivery address? Yes. Did you put the invoice? Yes. They'll tick. Did you put the correct account number for the individual? Yes. Can you scroll down on this one? This is the invoice. Did you put the correct date? They'll tick yes. Did you put the correct amount? They tick, tick, tick. So there's the date, the invoice, 2, then 3 it's reference, then these 3 amount 1, 2, 3. So you have got your 8 marks from this. Then you can also scroll down. Can you scroll down? Maybe scroll down. Scroll down until you get to this where they'll give you, they don't give you the marks for this one, for this total, but they give you the marks if you have put the correct discount. And if you have put also the what? The correct terms. Because that is what you were supposed to edit. This one is calculated for you. So you get that mark and you get that mark. So the total of this one could be 9 marks. So we have done only one. We are going to do the next one in the next lesson. I thank you for today for following me in this doing one supplier invoice for the question paper of 2016 June. Thank you.